Morning students. Now I have very important question which is being asked in CBSE. Are you ready? Everybody listening me? Okay. Come to the point. A train traveling at a uniform speed for 360 km would have takes 48 minutes less to travel the same distance if its speed were 5 km per hour more. Find the original speed of the train. Let us start the solution. Last one. Are you listening the question? Okay, good. Now we are going to do the solution of this question. I will take your help. Everybody will be ready to give the proper answer which is being asked by me. Okay. Now see the solution. Let the original speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now the time taken by the train is equal to 360 upon x hour. If the train increases its speed by 5 km per hour, then new speed is equal to x plus 5 km per hour. Time taken by train is equal to 360 upon x plus 5. This one is time t2 and this one is time t1. Now you see, time t1 is greater than t2 by 48 minutes. It means according to question t1 minus t2 is equal to 48 minutes. That is equal to t1 minus t2 is equal to 48 upon 60 hours. This is equal to 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60. This is equal to t1 minus t2 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now put the value of t1 and t2. 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. You see, take here 360 common. This is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now simplify it. 4 1 is 4, 4 9 is 60, 90. 90 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now you see, take LCM x plus 5. This is x plus 5 and here is x is equal to 1 upon 5. X is cancelled by x. Now this is equal to 90 into 5 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 5. Again cross multiplying. 90 into 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. This is equal to x square plus 5x minus 25 into 90 equal to 0. This is equal to x square plus 5x minus 2250 equal to 0. This here you have to solve the quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 2050. Find out the factor of 2250 whose difference is 5. This is equal to 45 and 50. You see, right here x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2050 is equal to 0. Take x common, x plus 50 minus 45 common here, x plus 50. This is equal to x minus 45, x plus 50. Here are two values of x. X is equal to 45 kilometer per hour and x is equal to minus 50 kilometer per hour. Since you know speed never be negative, hence x is equal to 45 kilometer per hour is correct answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you once again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You repeat it. If you find any difficulty, again ask me. Thank you.